We're a high-end architectural woodworking firm. We do simple things from medicine vanities to full library renovations, paneled walls, coffered ceilings. We will sit there and we'll engineer it with everybody, designers, architects.
Our clients are happy with the results, and it's satisfying to know that we make them happy. We've been doing this a long time. I started the company 35 years ago, and our employees have been with us a very long time.
Investing in machinery, technology is something that we find has helped us, get through a lot of hard times, and the easier times even easier to be able to use screen to machine software and, electronic, CNC machinery, and really higher end machinery to help us.
Having new equipment has really impacted our business in a great way. We're able to produce work much faster with less labor and stay competitive.
Automation has helped us in many ways. It has made us produce our products quicker, more accurately, more efficiently, obviously. Partnering up with the right people, having the right support is really crucial to that as well. If something goes down and you can't, fix it easily, it hurts the business and slows everything down. One piece of machinery that we can't live without is really our CNC machine. What that has done for us is amazing. The templates we make, the cutouts we make, the speed and accuracy that it allows us and affords us to do now, it has revolutionized, what we can do. Stiles Machinery from start to finish is really top notch. Anytime I have simple questions or even difficult questions, I can get somebody on the phone right away, which is really important. Stiles is a high-end company. Their machinery is higher end, and it's there to last a long time.